In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark in Chrome. If there's a website you visit often and you want a quick way to get back to it later, bookmarking it in Google Chrome is one of the easiest things you can do. A bookmark saves the page directly in your browser, so instead of typing the website address again or searching for it every time, you can open it with just a click. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the specific website you want to save. Make sure you're on the exact page you want to bookmark, because Chrome will save the page you currently have open. This is especially helpful if you want to save a certain article, tool, or section of a website rather than just the home page. Once the page is fully loaded, look toward the right side of the address bar at the top of the Chrome window. You'll see a star icon there. That star is what you use to create a bookmark. Go ahead and click the star icon. As soon as you click it, a small pop-up window will appear. This is where Chrome lets you confirm the bookmark details before saving it. You'll see a field where you can enter a name for the bookmark. By default, Chrome usually fills this in with the page title, but you can change it to something shorter or easier to recognize if you want. Giving it a clear name can help you stay organized, especially if you save a lot of websites. After entering the name you want, click Done. That's it. Your bookmark has now been saved in Chrome. From now on, you'll be able to return to that page much faster. If your bookmarks bar is visible, you may see the bookmark appear there right away. If not, it will still be saved in your browser and available for later use. A simple name is usually best, so it's easy to spot when you need it. Bookmarking is a great habit if you regularly use the same websites for work, school, shopping, reading, or entertainment. It saves time and keeps your favorite pages within easy reach. And that's how to bookmark in Chrome. Once you do it a few times, it becomes second nature and makes browsing much more convenient.